Okay, let's get to it. First, always wash and dry your hands before you touch your lenses or your eyes. You definitely don't want dirt or germs on either. Always start with the lens for your right eye so you don't mix them up, since each eye has its own prescription. Scoop your lens out of the case, then follow the instructions for your lens solution. Making sure your finger's dry, put the lens on the tip and take a close look. If it's shaped like a little bowl with a nice straight edge, you're good. If the edge curves outward, it's inside out. Flip it. Use your lens hand to pull down your lower lid. Using your other hand, hold your upper eyelid. Gently place the lens on your eye. You can put it right on the center of your eye or on the white part just underneath, whichever feels best. When the lens is all the way on your eye, slowly release your upper eyelid and close your eye for a moment. Blink a few times and look around to center the lens. And that's it. One more tip. If you wear makeup, put your contacts on first, so any makeup on your hands doesn't wind up on the lenses. Now do it again with your left eye. Most people think removing contacts is even easier than putting them on. What's the first thing? Right, wash and dry your hands. Prep your lens case with fresh solution. Just like when you put them on, start with your right lens. Look up and pull down your lower eyelid. Bring your index finger close to your eye until you touch the lower edge of the lens. Slide the lens down to the lower right part of your eye. Gently squeeze the lens between your thumb and index finger and remove it. If you're wearing one-day lenses, just toss them out. If you're not, follow your doctor's instructions on how to clean them before putting them in the case. You'll want to replace your contact lens case every 3 months or so. And this is very important. When it's time to switch to a fresh pair of lenses, be sure to stick to the schedule your eye doctor gave you.